Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your BMW 1 Series center console. First, let's prepare by gathering our tools. You will need a Torx driver with a T20 bit, a 10mm socket, and some interior trim removal tools. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is fully engaged for safety before starting any work. This preparation helps prevent damage and ensures a smooth process. Now, let's begin by removing the trim. Start with the panel above the pedals. It's held by 3 T20 Torx screws and 1 push rivet. Next, remove the similar trim near the glove box, which has 2 T20 screws and 1 push rivet. After that, carefully remove the shift knob, the shift boot, and the emergency brake boot to expose the console's base. With the boots removed, take off the trim surrounding the shift lever and the foam insulation underneath. You will then see 2 10mm bolts holding aluminum L brackets. Remove these. On the passenger side, gently pry off a plastic cover to access and remove a T20 screw. Finally, carefully pry up the iPod interface and disconnect its 3 plugs. To finish, remove the trim panel at the back of the armrest to expose 2 10mm nuts. Remove them. Disconnect any final wiring harnesses. Now, pull the emergency brake handle all the way up and put the gear selector into 2nd or 4th gear. Lift the console from the rear, then slide it backward and over the handbrake handle to complete its removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.